Hey guys, welcome back. In the last session, we have worked on the customer service where we have created the customer object, customer Pojo, and we have created the services and we have created the repository and we have created the controller as well. And we have configured the customer related DB details in the application.properties as well. And we have created the Docker image and we have deployed the Docker image into the Kubernetes. Okay. So now we will be creating the another microservice, that is a account service. See, we will be linking up customer microservice with the account service. See, whenever you go to the bank, so normally what will happen, like if you want to create an account with any bank, you can take. So what they will do, they will take your details. So once they take your details, they'll create an account on your name. Okay. So they'll be creating some, customer ID. For this customer ID, okay, so they will be creating the account. Okay, that's what we are going to do now. Okay, so we have the customer microservice handy with us. So it is up and running in the Kubernetes environment. Now, what we will be doing is we will be creating the account service. So for this, the first thing what we are going to do is we will be creating a project called we will be creating a Maven project that is for the account services. Let's go here and create a Maven project. So here we will be creating a Maven project. So you can create a Maven project. I can directly go and create the Spring Boot starter project. So let's go and check it. Project. So here you have to choose whatever project you want to create. So currently I want to create the Spring Boot project. So I'll be giving the project name. So my project name is Account Services. Account Services. Fine. So I'm using Java and I'm using Maven for the build tool. So and group ID is same arc.nsk.bank. And artifact ID is account services. And the package name I want to maintain arc.nsk.bank. Arc.nsk.bank. That's it I want to maintain. So on the JDK version I'm using 21. Okay. So let's go and change to the 21. Okay. So now click on next. Now here we have to choose the dependencies for customer microservices. We have choose the Lombok, right? We have choose the dev tools. Okay. Then we have chosen the Spring Web. Okay. And yep. So these are some of the dependencies we have chosen. And MySQL. Okay, fine. So MySQL, I need to choose it. Data JPA, I've chosen it. And MySQL, I need it. Okay. Fine. So I have given the list of dependencies which is needed to create this account services. You can see here Lombok, Spring Boot DevTools, Spring Web, and Data JPA and MySQL driver. So let's go and create it. So we'll be creating a Spring Boot project. So in this video, okay, let me create a new window. Fine. Okay. So account services is created. It is downloading the dependencies. Okay, fine. So now let's come over here. Let's open the account services and let's run account services application. Now I want to run this account services application on port 2025 or 2026. I want to run it. Okay. So for customer services, we are chosen 8081. So let's see like what is the port number we have used for the customer services. So based on that, let's choose the account services as well. Let me go to the source, main, resources, and here we have application.properties. So in the application.properties, what is the port number they have mentioned? We have mentioned 8081. So for service, for account services, we'll be choosing the port number 8082. Okay, so let me come here, application.properties. I'll say server dot port. equals to 882. Fine. Save this one. Let's come to the account services application. Let me run as a Spring Boot application. Okay. So fine. So once we click on run button, it will start running the Spring Boot application. Let's wait. Okay, it's taking time. It's taking time. Started. It's starting. Now here, few things we will get we will get some exceptions actually. What are the exceptions we will be getting it? See, as you're using the MySQL and the Spring Data JPA, okay. So it will be expecting the properties to define in the application dot properties. Here you can see failed to configure the data source URL attribute. Okay, so it is expecting the URL. Okay, so what we need to do is first we need to create a database in the MySQL. Okay, so let me go and create a database. Let's go to the SQL ACK. I'll request to download the SQL ACK. So here we have a customer service, right? Now let me go and create the database called account service. Account service. You can use a command create database account service. You can directly right click on this root and you can create a database as well. Account service. Fine. So we have an account service database handy with us. Now let's go to the customer. Let's go to the customer service. In the customer service, let me switch to the customer service. Why it is not going? Okay, fine. Let me switch to the customer service. Now in the customer service, we have mentioned the driver class name, URL, username, password, DDL, SQL statements, and the dialect properties, which is similar actually, which is same for the account services as well. Only thing is we need to change the DB name. So we'll be changing that as well. Let me go to the account service. Now let me go to the application.properties. Now here we need to add those properties. So here we have to change the DB name. Account service, not services, account service. Okay. So in this session, what we have done, we have created the account services a microservice application, and we have added the dependencies, and we have created the account services DB. Okay, account service DB, and we have configured the application.properties with the username, username, password, URL, driver class name, DDL, SQL statement, and the dialect as well. In the next session, we will be working on the business logic. Okay, fine. Thank you.